What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Now we're on the second layer once again on the AUDI R8 V10s. So I think once we get to the third, which will be in this video as well, I am going to try and actually line up the lines properly this time. I think I've got an idea already on how I can do that, but we are going to get started. Let's get started. And other news as well, I have a 3D printer coming tomorrow. Yes, 3D printer coming tomorrow, guys. I am so excited because the AUDI R8 we're not going to touch because it's already wide bodied. It's a race. It's basically the race version of the R8. But with the other cars on the other hand, so I've got a visual for the Ferrari Enzo body kit of my own design. But we're not going to mess with these cars. I'm going to buy another model as a test thing. So yeah, we've got a lot of come in the future. I'm really excited about this one. Now that we've fixed the Audi, she's back in business, baby. We're back at the stage 3. Again, boom. She's already masked and ready to go. So without further ado, let's spray this pink glare, people. Let's go. Guys, I honestly cannot work like this because yeah, the lamp isn't going. There's no light bulb. It blew last night. So I cannot work like this. I'll see you whenever I get a light bulb. Honest to God, this car is like a love-hate relationship. You know, how many times have we had to respray the whole thing purple so far? How many times? Honest to God. Guys, I will see. I think the problem is I'm making the pink lines for the stage 3 too thin. Guys, I'll see you in the next one.